Clean Sea Solutions was established with the purpose of finding ways to reduce and prevent the inflow of plastic waste into the sea, and thus contributing to create a cleaner and more sustainable future for the world oceans. Marine pollution is the fastest growing environmental problem in the world. An estimated truckload of plastic waste ends in the oceans every minute throughout the year, and 80% is derived from land. It is essential to prevent the inflow of plastic waste before it reaches the open oceans. Our founding idea was to develop commercially and environmentally sustainable business models and tech solutions to achieve this goal. Our area's focus is to clean up plastic waste close to shore in a limited area with large quantities of marine plastic, utilizing resources for a maximum impact. In collaboration with industrial partners within the Norwegian oil and gas industry, autonomy and maritime industries, we are developing innovative stationary and autonomous solutions designed to collect plastic waste in and below the water surface. The PG Aquapod is a floating jetty with a built-in system for cleaning up marinas and other waterfront areas. The first pilot of the Aquapod was launched in August 2020 and will be launched to the market in the first half of this year. The cleaning drone version 1 is an unmanned surface vessel with a unique feature to self-empty when it's a designated waste pool. It has been developed in a close cooperation with Maritime Robotics in Trondheim and will be launched in the port of Oslo in May this year. The cleaning drone version 2 is a second-generation all-electric and autonomous catamaran unit with a great capacity and a unique system for self-emptying. It is probably the first using computer vision to avoid obstacles and waterborne vehicles, and on features for mapping the seabed and collecting environmental data. Our products and services enhance the environmental profile of customers, providing business advantage ahead of public regulations and advances the UN Sustainable Development Goals. 5 years from now, every waterfront area with human activity will either have an active cleaning system for its waters or a strong push to install such a system. It has a high potential to create a demand in a growing market looking for new and innovative solutions. Clean Water Zone is Clean Sea Solutions' preferred operation model to ensure long-term cash flow for all products and services. We are also entering into purchase agreements with such a supplier or subcontractor, notably with the Aquapod, which will enter the markets as an integrated part of a floating jetties, as well as to be installed in existing installations. An increasingly environmentally conscious public in Europe and globally makes clear demand on all politicians and the business community for increased efforts to preserve a clean environmental and environmental friendly solutions. There's a proven and growing market for automated marine waste collections equipment across the Mediterranean region and global, into regions where the problems are the most severe. We have a dynamic and flexible team sharing a deep passion for the ocean, the environmental, and the building sustainable values. In the team, we have relevant experience from business development, technical design, and entrepreneurship, as well as from the waste management industry, tech companies, offshore industry, media, and real estate development. Together, we have a truly unique global network in a wide range of businesses. We benefit greatly from the solid engineering expertise found in our industrial partners to bring ideas to finished prototypes and industrial products. Thank you.
That was Clean Sea Solutions with their pitch. Do we have Per on the line? Okay, yes, we do. Okay, so Jury, you can go ahead with your questions for Clean Sea Solutions.
Super, maybe I can start. Thank you so much for the presentation and great problem you are trying to solve. Why do you think no one has solved this problem before? And then maybe if you can tell us a little bit more about the main bottlenecks to scaling in this space. What needs to be solved for it to be a success?
I think the reason we haven't been able to solve the problem before is because it's such a huge problem with so many places need to be done something. We have several solutions out there, but it's mostly for thinking about small and one area. The big bottleneck is to get to the market and to get them to use money on solutions like this for every harbors.
Okay, any other questions from the jury?
Yeah, maybe I can go as the next one. So it looks like you have already existing product. So I'm just wondering what will be your expansion strategy, how you would like to get in other markets?
Yeah, we have both in prototypes for both of solutions. The jetty is finished with testing, and the Aquapod is testing now. But of course, we are working with develop it to become better. We also want to work with our bigger boats on the solutions there. But now is the go to market. That is what we're working with.
Hey, can you give a concrete example of the capacity of your aquapod capacity?
Yeah,
like how many of those I need if like the kind of cleaner area of certain size?
The capacity of the aquapod is 700 to 800 liters, but it makes a current just around the jetty. So it depends how big area you have and how many you need to have, or you would always make a current the whole time. So for since the plastic is moving, you would take the one from other places. So it's very difficult to say how much plastic you will take up in so much time, because it all depends how big it is and how much is you see when it's the weather has been really bad and it's very windy, you will have more plastic in the area, and so it's not easy to say.